Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. In this video, Group 8 will be presenting our group project for course Cloud Computing. So our project focuses on a local smartphone repair business, which is Autumn Leaf Phone Repair Shop that you can find at Ujana Kewangan Labuan. So we are going to share how we can help this business transform its traditional manual operation into a highly efficient cloud-based system using AWS. Before we go any further, let me introduce to our team, which consists of myself, Aina Najwa, NURUL INSYIRAH, MAHIRAH, and DAYANGKU SITI SUZIEYANA. Now we are moving to our problem statement. Let's look at the core operational challenge that Autumn Leaf is currently facing. We have identified 5 critical problem areas. The first one is fragment repair tracking. Right now, repair records are stored locally on a single computer and searched manually. This manual retrieval is incredibly time-consuming and leaves the business highly vulnerable to permanent data loss from file corruption or accidental deletion. For the second one is error-prone inventory management. Spare parts like screen, batteries, and charging ports are tracked using manual spreadsheets. The lack of real-time visibility frequently leads to human error and unexpected stock shortage during critical repair. Next, third, delay customer communication. Because repair status are tracked manually, updating customer takes a backseat. Relying entirely on a manual messaging application creates administrative bottlenecks that damage the shop's reputation. And then the fourth, infrastructure and migration constraint. The business faces heavy internet dependency, a complete lack of specialized in-house technical expertise, and potential learning curves or resistance to technological change from the staff. Last but not least, the fifth, vulnerable and decentralized customer data. Sensitive client profile, contact numbers, history, and warranties are scattered across separate files and logs. This slows down customer service, poses serious data privacy and security risk, and lacks any localized system recovery options.
Next, we proceed to the project objective. To address the operational, administrative, and security challenges faced by Autumn Leaf Phone Repair Shop, this project has established 5 main objectives. First, to migrate and centralize business operation using cloud technology. Secondly, to optimize repair and inventory workflows for greater efficiency. Thirdly, to modernize customer data management and communication system. Fourthly, to implement robust cloud security governance to protect business and customer information. Lastly, to achieve long-term cost optimization while supporting future business growth and scalability. Autumn Leaf Phone Repair Shop is a local smartphone repair business located at Ujana Kewangan Labuan. The company operates through a single branch and offers services such as screen replacement, battery replacement, software troubleshooting, and device maintenance. As the business continues to grow, it faces challenges in managing customer and operational data using manual processes. Therefore, this shop was selected as the case study to demonstrate how AWS cloud migration can improve efficiency, data security, and scalability. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to the next person.
Next, I will explain the cloud governance and management. There are 3 business operations that can be improved using cloud technology. First is repair record management. Currently, repair record can be stored in local files. This can make it difficult to find information quickly. By using cloud technology, repair record can be accessed and updated easily. Second is customer data management. Currently, customer information is stored in separate files. This can make customer information difficult to manage. By using cloud technology, all data customer will be stored in one place. Lastly is inventory management. Currently, spare parts are tracked manually using spreadsheets. This can cause stock errors. By using cloud technology, inventory will be monitored and updated in real time. Moving to the next topic, for the cloud components, users can access the system using smartphones, tablets, or computer. The system uses AWS services such as EC2, Amazon RDS, Amazon S3, and AWS Backup. It is deployed in the Singapore region and uses two availability zones to improve reliability. For virtualization, AWS uses virtualization to create virtual servers. The T3 micro instance is used as the web server, while the T3 medium instance is used as the application server. The database host is Amazon RDS. The setup allows the business to use cloud resources without owning physical servers. For storage and network, Amazon RDS stores customer information, repair records, and inventory data. Amazon S3 stores files such as receipt, device image, and uploaded document. And the AWS backup, it will automatically protect the important business data. So, the users will connect to the system through the internet. The request will be processed by the AWS and the information will return in real time. So, the system does not use any sensors because all data will be entered by the staff. For deployment model, the system uses public cloud deployment model because it is cost effective and easy to manage. In the service model, it is used infrastructure as a service or IaaS. In AWS, providers servers, storage, and networking, while the repair shop managed application and business data. This diagram shows how the system works. Users access the system through the internet. The request will be processed by EC2 servers and the data is stored in Amazon RDS and Amazon S3. While the AWS backup, it will protect the important information. So, this is useful for the repair shop to manage the customer data, repair records, and inventory more efficiently.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm MAHIRAH BINTI JAMRIS. I'm gonna present about cloud data management. First one is, we use role-based access control, which is RBAC, to set the security design, which is to limit access based on job roles. Second is, we implement multi-factor authentication, which is known as MFA, for secure login. Next is, we apply data encryption to protect sensitive information like customers' information lah. And then last, which is restrict and monitor access to prevent unauthorized use. Before, we store, keep, and protect the customer information like their name, contact details, and repair history. Also, we store device and repair records like device details and repair status. And next is, we keep inventory data, which is spare parts information for future use. And then lastly, which is transaction records like payments and services. The data that can be used to enhance cloud operation is customer repair history, and then inventory data, repair records, and customer data. The first one is customer repair history, which it helps provide faster service. Next one is inventory data. It helps manage stock and purchasing. And then repair records, which helps monitor staff performance. And last is customer data, which improves service quality and satisfaction. Secure the data in the cloud by using data encryption to protect information. And then we apply automated backup to prevent data loss. So we use MFA for secure system access. Who has the access to our system? Based on control access, it has 4, which is owner and manager have their full access. Staff has a customer and repair data. Technicians only assigned for repair tasks. And last, it ensures data security and customer privacy. Next is I'm gonna presenting about cloud organization scenario. The migrating to the cloud improve the business by improving efficiency of daily operations using centralized system. And next is it allows real-time data updates and access. Third is it makes information retrieval faster and easier to access. Next is it enhances team collaboration and communication between employees. Last is it improves customer service with faster updates on repair status. It also easier for customers to check up on their updates on their repair status. If before, activities or operations takes a long time to finish, but with cloud, repair tracking becomes faster with real-time updates. Also, customer information can be accessed instantly from cloud database. Next is inventory monitoring is automated, reducing delays. Last is it reduces manual work and duplicate data entry. So it makes the staff, technicians, and employees, their work becomes more easier. Next is it speeds up overall service delivery and workflow. So it's like 50-50 for both workers and customers. Costs can be reduced or repurposed. Yes. It reduces cost of physical storage and IT infrastructure. And also, apart from that, it no need to buy and maintain own servers. So next is it uses pay-as-you-go cloud services, which is more efficient for both customers and employees. From that, savings can be used for better repair equipment, employee training, business expansion for future, and improving customer service. Last is, can product or service quality be monitored more often? Yes, of course, with centralized and monitoring dashboard. From that, management can monitor repair activities, customer records, inventory levels, and also helps track service performance regularly, which is it can prevent another problem. Last is it improves data accuracy, quality control, and customer satisfaction. So we can conclude that this cloud technology really helps employees and customers in many ways.
To conclude our presentation today, the proposed AWS cloud migration successfully modernized Autoliv through a few major impacts, which is digital transformation. It replaced manual spreadsheet and fragment record keeping with a fully centralized digital ecosystem. Cost efficiency by deploying a cost-effective infrastructure as a service (IaaS) model in AWS Singapore region. The business completely eliminates expensive upfront hardware costs using a flexible pay-as-you-go approach. Robust security, sensitive business data, and customer privacy are heavily safeguarded through practical security control like data encryption, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and automated backups. Ultimately, this framework provides a viable blueprint proving that small-scale local enterprises can overcome traditional operational delay, protect their records, and truly thrive in today's digital economy. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you so much for your time.